Local emergency medical services are struggling to fill paramedic positions. Emergency care workers with companies like Medic EMS in Davenport are working longer hours to make up for the lack of employees. Local 4's Sierra Krug joins us in the studio with how they're dealing with this shortage. Sierra.
Yes, Jim. Last year, schools like Black Hawk College were forced to delay certain training programs for students studying to become paramedics. Emergency medical services like Medic EMS rely on these students for staffing, so the delays have made it difficult to hire enough qualified individuals despite consistent interest in the career path.
EMTs and paramedics are closely related and are on the front lines and an essential part of the entire healthcare ecosystem.
Shortages in EMTs and paramedics sparking concern for emergency medical service providers like Medic EMS in Davenport.
Last year when COVID was kind of going pretty strong, we saw some shortages due to colleges having to kind of put some stuff on hold and slow some people down in order for them to get all their clinicals and right time in.
It's essential in all of healthcare, but especially in EMT and paramedics, that we train that next generation to be ready to step forward to assist members of our community who are in distress.
And increasing pressure placed on current emergency responders.
It's definitely important working in the emergency services to make sure that you have an ambulance available and staff to staff those ambulances when patients call. We've definitely had to rely on people, EMTs and paramedics, to come in and extra time on their time off to help kind of staff the shortages, as well as other services have came in and helped us as well.
Interest in the career remains high as pandemic restrictions loosen up.
What we are seeing are classes of 12 to 19 students in our programs, which are fairly healthy for us. A lot of the staffing shortage is a result of people retiring out or leaving the profession because they have worked so hard and burned out.
Finding individuals who are right for the job.
A lot of those service industries, you're not rolling up on someone who's in distress, physically just in distress, that may find their lives in jeopardy as a result. So it does require a level of training that goes beyond.
Medic EMS is actively recruiting each day. They are looking to fill multiple EMT and paramedic positions with their emergency response team. Live in the studio, Sierra Krug, Local 4 News.
Sierra, thank you. Now to the strike against John Deere. Dozens